late, man. My people are waiting for you to show them how to make piña colada, bro. Come on, man.
Pero tú estás pasado, creo que tú estás hablando de que piña colada, piña colada. Yo no sé de esto, manito, la verdad. Que yo no sé, manito, nada. No me mira a mí, ¿qué es lo que tú me estás mirando a mí? Que yo no sé de que piña colada. Háblame de cervecita, manito, de presidente, de WOM. Creo que tú estás hablando de que piña colada, WOM, coconut cream, heavy cream. Yo no sé la verdad.
History. Piña colada was created in 1954 by Raymond Munchito. This guy come from Puerto Rico. I love Puerto Rico, by the way. This is one of my best country. I love it, I love it. Guys, today I'm gonna show you to make two different of piña colada. One, which called virgin piña colada, which means no alcohol on it, and this one with alcohol on it. Please, you has to be 21 years old to drink piña colada with alcohol. The one without alcohol, anyone can drink it. Let's go for the virgin piña colada. All you need is pineapple juice, coconut milk, heavy cream. This is for the virgin piña colada, not alcohol. Let's do it. Some.
You know I'm gonna get.
Just get this. 1 ounce of heavy cream. Coconut milk.
You know I'm gonna get.
And pineapple juice. This is the virgin piña colada, no alcohol on it. Virgin piña colada, guys.
You know I'm gonna get.
Everybody can make this at home. It's simple. Look at that. Good to go. Go for the original piña colada. To make original piña colada, you need the blender. There's my blender. It's 1 ounce of warm. Okay, guys.
You know I'm gonna get.
Piña colada mix is like no alcohol on it. That's it. This is your piña colada. This is the best piña colada ever. See you next video.